What they're doing right now is testing the digital dollar. They've been putting all of these things in place for the last couple of years, and we keep being told that they're not ready. But look at this, a multi-currency exchange, and that's what a CE is, a currency exchange and contracting platform. Okay, so what we're looking at here are alternative types of monies as payment instruments. And you have public and private. So let's take a look. This includes cash, central bank reserves, CBDCs, CEs, bank deposits, and stable coins. So, I think that even these headers are really interesting because what they're really showing you is what they're focusing on. No, they're not going to take cash completely away from us. They're going to let us volunteer just not to use it, and then they'll put a chip in it so they can go to negative rates. This is what they're telling us. But they don't want you to know that anything has changed, so they need to keep things as close to normal or what you're used to as possible. So again, cash, central bank reserves, CBDCs, CEs, bank deposits, and stable coins are what the powers that be view as payment instruments. And you can see by looking at the CBDCs where they're questioning some places in retail particularly, right? Basically the CBDCs and the CEs have a lot of similarities. Where they have the question marks, yeah, I'm pretty sure those will be real similar too. And especially in here because they will be programmable. Right now, the cash isn't programmable, but it'll get there. Give them time. Give them that chip. They will put it in place. And everything that we do is programmable and maybe even set up for, I don't know, social scoring. I told you forever when I saw what China was doing that everybody's watching, and that's coming to a theater near you. Some in Europe say that they already have that foundation in place. Maybe they have that foundation in place too, because this is the first step aimed at stimulating further work in this space. So make no mistake, this is the prelude to the CBDC, which, oh my goodness, no, they haven't decided. Well, what? Is the U.S. going to be last in issuing a CBDC? I don't think so. And who's going to be part of all of this? Oh, I don't know, Wall Street, because they are so trustworthy. And I hope you understand that I am being completely facetious when I say this. So Wall Street tests crypto dollars with Fed, right? Defying the FTX gloom. Now, FTX is a digital cryptocurrency exchange, and that is now in bankruptcy, taking with it a lot of other entities. Some people think that this is a prelude to getting the regulation in place that they need for the CBDCs. I might be one of those people, but I'll let you formulate your own opinion. Network for digital dollars will settle on a distributed ledger that will be shared, okay? Who's part of this? Because frankly, the players are chosen. Bank of New York Mellon, HSBC, PNC Services, Toronto Dominion Bank, that must be a Canadian bank, Truist Financial Corp, and U.S. Bank Corp, along with MasterCard. I like that combination, again, being facetious. This makes me, look, I have never, ever, ever said that this is not the direction that we're going in, because it absolutely 100% is. I will participate when I know who the winners are, when I know who's going to survive, and I have no other choice. Right now, I have a huge choice, and it's right here. I hold it, I own it, it runs no counterparty risk. If you like this clip and you want to watch the full video, just click right here. And to subscribe, click right here.